10th class, part 15. So 1.5 exercise. 7th sum. If 2.3 whole to the x is equal to 0.23 whole to the y is equal to 1000, then find the value of 1 by x minus 1 by y. So you know the formula e to the n is equal to x, then log x base a is equal to n. Same. Suppose solution 2.3 whole to the x is equal to 1000. 2.3 whole to the x is equal to 1000. Then e to the n is equal to x, then log x base a is equal to n. Log ni apply cheste, apply the log 1000 base 2.3 is equal to x. Same formula. Log 1000 base 2.3 is equal to x. Apply the log. So log 1000, log 2.3 base 1000 is equal to 1 by x. Already you know the formula log x base a is equal to n. Then log a base x is equal to 1 by n. You know the formula. So log 2.3 base 1000 is equal to 1 by x. Let's 1. So as well as 0.23 whole to the y is equal to 1000. 0.23 base whole to the y is equal to 1000. Same log ni apply cheste log 1000 base 0.23 is equal to y. Same దీనిలాగే log 0.23 base 1000 is equal to 1 by y. ఇది 2 అనుకోండి. From 1 and 2 అంటే 1 by x minus 1 by y తీసుకుంటే 1 by x minus 1 by y తీసుకుంటే 1 by x వాల్యూ log 2.3 base 1000 minus log 0.23 base 1000. Log x minus log y is equal to log x by y. So log 2.3 by 0.23 base 1000. So 2.3 by 0.23 ni 100 by 100 multiply cheste. So 1.10 పోద్ది 230 1 point పోద్ది 230 by 2 points 100 పోద్ది 23 100 into 2.3 అంటే ఇక్కడ 2300 ఫస్ట్ ఆన్ తర్వాత పాయింట్ ఆఫ్టర్ 1 decimal. So 2300 after 2 digits after 2 decimal. So 230 by 23. So 10 times for the same as well as so log 230 by 23 base 1000. So 10 times log 10 base 1000. Log 10 base 1000. Log 10 ni మనం ఎలా రాయొచ్చు. So log 10 cube whole to the 1 by 3 అని రాయొచ్చు. 3 పోద్ది log 10. Log 10 ని సో 10 to the 1 by 3. సో 10 into 3 into 1 by 3. 3 పోద్ది. ఎందుకంటే బేస్ రెండు ఈక్వల్ చేసుకోవడానికి మనం అలా చేసాం. సో log 1000 whole to the 1 by 3 base 1000. ఈ 1 by 3 log nth root. Log e to the nth root log. So 1 by 3 log 1000 base 1000. Log a base a value 1. So 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. So 1 by x minus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 3. If 2 to the x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the 1 minus x, then find the value of x. So 2 to the power x plus 1 is equal to 3 to the power 1 minus x. Given, apply log ని అప్లై చేస్తాను. log 2 to the power x plus 1 log 2 to the power of x plus 1 is equal to log 3 to the power of 1 minus x. ఇది log e to the power n nth రూట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే x plus 1 into log 2 is equal to 1 minus x log 3. పవర్ ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తుంది. log 2 into x log 2 plus log 2 into 1 log 2 is equal to 1 into log 3 log 3 minus x into log 3 x log 3. So x log 2 ఈ మైనస్ x log 3 ఇటుకు వస్తే ప్లస్ x log 3 is equal to log 3 ఈ ప్లస్ అవతలకి వెళ్తే మైనస్ log 2 log 3 ప్లస్ log 2 అవతలకి వెళ్తే మైనస్ log 2. సో ఈ రెండింటిలో x కామన్ తీస్తే log 2 ప్లస్ log 3 is equal to log 3 minus log 2. సో x is equal to ఇది మల్టిప్లై అవతలకైతే డివైడ్ అవుతుంది. log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. ఫైనల్గా x is equal to log 3 minus log 2 by log 2 plus log 3. Next sum, is log 2 rational or irrational? Justify your answer. Already we learned to exercise 4, same as well as is it irrational or rational. First log 2, let log 2 is a rational. log 2 ni is rational. log 2 ni rational అనుకుందాం. log 2 is rational. log 2 ఎప్పుడైతే రేషనల్ అయిందో దాన్ని మరో రేషనల్ నెంబర్తో ఈక్వల్ చేస్తున్నాం. అంటే log 2 is equal to log 2 base 10 అంటారు. log 2 base 10 is equal to a by b. log 2 base 10 is equal to a by b. So log 2 base 10 is equal to a by b. ఆ సూత్రం ప్రకారం 10 to the power a by b. So is equal to 2. 10 to the power a by b is equal to 2. So 10 ni 2 into 5 whole to the power a by b is equal to 2. So ఇరువైపులా both sides పవర్ grow the power b. So 2 into 5 whole to the power a by b into b is equal to 2 to the power b. Both sides b పవర్ పెంచాం. both sides b క్రాస్ అయిపోయింది. 2 into 5 whole to the power a is equal to 2 to the power b. So here it is 2 to the power a into 5 to the power a is equal to 2 to the power b. So 5 to the power a is equal to 2 to the power b by 2 to the power a. 5 to the power a is equal to 2 to the power b minus a. Bases are equal. 5 to the power a is equal to 2 to the power b minus a. 5 to the power a is equal to 2 to the power b minus a. So ఇక్కడ ఏ పవర్ అయినా సరే ఎనీ నెంబర్ 5 to the power 1 is equal to 5. 5 square is equal to 25. 5 cube is equal to 125. 5 కి పవర్ ఏది ఉన్నా సరే అది వచ్చేది ఆడ్ నెంబర్ అవుతుంది. 5 is odd number. So 25 is odd number. 125 is odd number. ఇక్కడ 2 to the power b minus a అంటే 2 నెత్తి మీద అంటే పవర్ ఏది ఉన్నా సరే ఏ వాల్యూ వేసుకోండి. సో 4 minus 3 is equal to 2 is equal to even number. అలాగే 2 to the power 5 minus 3 2 square is equal to 4. అంటే ఈ పవర్ 2 the power of is any number is even number అవుతుంది. అంటే ఇది LHS 5 to the row A is odd number. So RHS 2 to the row B minus A is any number, even number. So both are not equal. This is odd, this is even. So it is impossible. ఎందుకు ఇంపాసిబుల్ అయిందంటే log 2 ని రేషనల్ అనుకోవడం రాంగ్. సో log 2 is not rational. So log 2 is irrational. Log 100 is equal to log 10 square. So 2 log 10. Base ఏమి లేకపోతే 10. So 2 log 10 base 10 value 1. So 2 into 1 2. So 2 is a rational. So log 100 is a rational. So chapter completed. Real numbers completed in 10th class. We will meet another